Hello everyone. Welcome to day 3 session of C programming. In this session, we will learn about the input-output functions in C. Let's get started. Okay. Let's create a new source file. I will save it. Program2.c. Okay. So let's take an example as include stdio.h, which means standard input output header file. Then we will use our main function in main, and since the return type is integer, we have to return something value, and return 0 means success. Okay. So for the input, for the output, generally we will use printf, and in this session we will learn about printf and scanf. And scanf and printf both are input output function. So printf is used to print a value displays to the monitor, and scanf is used to read the value from the screen or monitor. For example, I let's say char name char letter. Okay. Printf, if I say enter or letter, okay, I say enter a letter, then scanf, then we use format specifier and comma and ampersand sign. Okay. So format specifier for the character we use percentage C and letter. Okay, let me explain this. What is this? So first of all, format specifier. Let's discuss it. Specifier. Okay. So format specifier is a special C token which start with percentage sign and then end by a letter, which the end by a character which tells about the data types. For example, for integer data type, we can use format specifier percentage %d or percentage %i. Similarly, for float, percentage %f. Similarly, for double and other, we can use the format specifier. Also for float, we can use percentage %g also. It depends. Okay. So I use for liter percentage %c. Then let's display it and add ampersand sign, which means add the address of letter. Print, okay, read the value, read a character. Okay, let me change its name. C, enter the character, enter the character. Okay, and let me give it C. Okay, and let's display the character name. Printf, the character you enter is the character you entered is percentage C, it is format specifier, and the value of C we will print like this. Okay. Okay, let's run it. Okay. Enter the character, let's say A. The character you enter is A. Okay. Let's take another example. Float F. Okay. And for float, percentage F. And let's say F is percentage F. Enter the number. And I will write here F. Okay. Let's say 3.5. You can this okay. So here is the result 3.5 decimal zeros all. Okay, you can minimize that decimal zero. Just you have to do is point. Let's say we have to minimize to one decimal value. Then we will write percentage point one F. Okay. So let's see 2.5. Okay. So you can see it is minimized to one decimal value. If I say percentage point two F, that it will be minimized to the two decimal value. 3.6. Okay, 3.60 like this. So for double type also we can do this. Okay, let's say if it is integer. Let's say it is we have taken a next example in which we are using array. We will learn about array later. And we say we use function and gets. They are also using word with printing and scanf like printf and scanf. Put function. Enter your name. Gets. It read the name directly. Okay. So next I say printf hello percentage s for string. Okay. We will learn about string also later. Let's say I say Harry. Hello Harry. You can see the output. Okay. So let's take another example. Int x. Okay. Printf the number. Okay. And I say okay, semicolon. Don't forget. Scanf. Okay. And what we will write here? We will write percentage G, or you can write percentage I also. Okay. Percentage. Okay, you can write percentage I also. And x and x at the address of x, and x means at the address of x. Okay, we can write percentage I also. So you can see. Okay, now for let's printf the number you entered is percentage. If I say percentage 5D, then let's see what happened. Okay, 3. Okay, wait. Percentage D. Let's say percentage. Okay, wait. Percentage 5D X. Okay, percentage 5DX and I say 5. Let's run it. Enter number 4. So you can see there is a gap space. If I normally write percentage D only, okay, so it takes on 5 tab space. Again I write 4. So you can see there is small gap, but if we write here 5D, 6D, then it takes a large gap. What if I take a minus 5D? Let's see what happens. Okay, let's set it 5. So you can see here. Okay, so generally it is used for formatting. Okay, print output in formatted way. So in this session, we learned about a format specifier, how to use printf and scanf function, and about they are the predefined or library functions. Okay, so we will learn about in later session about the predefined and user defined function. But that's all for now. Thank you.